So yan na guys, yung ating garlic na itinanim natin. Ayan, malalaki na sila guys, as you can see. Ayan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Ayan guys, good morning. Ayan, magtatanim tayo ngayon ng garlic. Ayan, so itong garlic natin guys, made from China. Kasi wala man akong makita na native dito sa abroad. So ayan, ito lang ang available guys from China. So ayan, i-share ko sa inyo, itatanim natin ito. So yung mga native kasi guys, is yung maliliit lang yun. Maganda yung aroma. Dan dito sa galing sa China guys, kasi dito kahit napakarami mong ilagay, naku, mas malamang pa rin yung native. So ayan guys, pupunta tayo sa labas para magtanim ng native, I should say garlic from China. So yan na guys, hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ko tinanim itong garlic, pero yan guys, as you can see, worth it. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagkatubo. So ayan guys, as you can see, pag mayroon akong dry na grass, dyan lalagyan natin yan para maganda yung moist at saka yung ano ng ating garlic, para okay pa rin siya kahit minsanan lang nating diligan. Dapat natin lagyan dyan ng mga dry grass. Ayan, thank you for watching.